Traders, here's a new video. First of all, as a risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another price action trading hints playlist video. Yes, trading hints playlist. You can find them on the channel. This trading hints, I have done already 4 of them. Yes, the evening star, the exhaustion candle, the no rejection trading setup, and the morning star. Those trades are those ones which have done my students. Yes, my BOTT mentorship program students, and also those kind of trades which have done my subscribers. You can send me those kind of screenshots and asking for a trading hint video. Yes, I will do this when I have the time. But first of all, I try to cover the most important questions, those ones which are having my students and obviously my subscribers. And this time we are going to talk about the retracement and how to recognize a retracement from a reversal. I have done so many deep explanation video, and you will see the similarity to this kind of stuff which I have already explained, because that is what the trading hints are about. I try to explain each and everything and how to avoid those kind of mistake trades which have done my students. So we are going to start immediately, but before I'm gonna start, I have to talk about my price action guide. Yes, here, price action guide, the black one. This is the fundament. You need those kind of things which are explained here. Here you get all this kind of no rejection trading setup concepts, price action concepts for any kind of financial instrument, because I get almost the questions, can I use this for Forex? Can I use this for cryptocurrencies? Can I use this for stock market? Yes, you can use it for everything. Digital options, FX options, or binary options. Yes, this is price action. Price action is universal. You can use it for everything. And those kind of things which I have explained here in the BOTT price action guide are the most important concepts. There are much more candlesticks patterns, there are much more chart patterns, there are much more concepts, but those ones are the most important ones. And if you want to own the market, you need the knowledge which is in this kind of ebooks. That is the price action guide. You see here candlestick pattern illustrations. Yes, here's the highest probability trading setup and the fake breakouts. Yes, in the morning star here, evening star fake breakout, inside bar fake breakout, and so on. Dark cloud cover as a reversal signal here. This kind of stuff which I have explained in the highest probability trading setup. So that means the highest probability trading setup, that means you have to follow the trend till you get any kind of sign of reversal. As long as you don't get any kinds of sign of reversal, you stay in the direction of the minor trend. That means if you have the major and the minor trend in your favor, stay on the trend. It's the better solution to do this, and entering below the closing price of the previous candle, or from the support level if you are doing a call, or on the resistance level if you are doing a put. So we are talking here about the BOTT price action guide, the fundament, but you need to watch the videos. If you are getting the BOTT price action guide, you need to watch the videos to understand the whole concept. If you don't have the time to watch the videos, yes, then you can get this kind of stuff. This is the BOTT price action Bible. Here we have everything explained in detail. You don't need to watch any kind of video. You can watch the videos to get a better understanding, to review those kind of things which I have already written here. Yes, but here's everything explained in detail. No need to watch the videos. Yes, only learning those kind of stuff, how to trade with the criteria, with the pattern psychology, with the support and resistance entry point, and how to trade. Yes, that is like learning the alphabet. Okay, so and then applying those kind of stuff on your trading. And for this, and for the better understanding, I can only suggest to each and everybody, yes, to get the BOTT mentorship program self-study modules. Yes, the video pack 1, video pack 2, video pack 3, video pack 4. Video pack 1 is for the beginner, video pack 2 is for the moderate one. Yes, video pack 3 for the advanced one, and video pack 4 for those one who are getting to become a pro. Those kind of videos which I'm doing now are those ones which you get in the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, for example, the video pack 1 has 104 videos which explains exactly what kind of trades were good, what kind of trades are bad, what you try to seek, and what you have to do to avoid those kind of mistake trades, yes, which leads in out of the money because of the wrong technical analysis. That is what this is about. Yes, this trading hints videos which I'm doing here are especially only to make more clear the context, yes, because I have so many subscribers, so many students who are trading candlestick patterns, and that's the reason why I have done the last price action trading hints video, yes, the evening star, exhaustion candle, no rejection trading setup, and morning star, because that are almost the same mistakes which my BOTT mentorship program students are doing. If the link to the BOTT price action guide you can find in the description. Yes, this is a question which I get almost often. The link to the BOTT price action Bible, yes, you will find also in the description. Please watch the description, go through the description. There are a lot of links, yes, a lot of links where I suggest broker, where I show you ebooks about binary, which can be useful to you too. And other stuff, please go to the description and then you will find the link to the price action guide and to the price action Bible. So then the link to the video packs is also in the description. And last but not least, the BOTT mentorship program, that's what this all is about. Yes, those kind of trades are coming from my BOTT mentorship program students. And to become a mentor, to become a student of the BOTT mentorship program, you need only to send me an email with the subject BOTT mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com, and then you will enroll the application process, which is for free, which will increase your trading style for sure, because everything what I'm asking you in the application process is useful to become a successful, profitable, and full-time or part-time trader. Yes, so that is what this is about. Yes, you cannot buy the BOTT mentorship program immediately. You have to go through the application process, and only if you pass through the application process you become a BOTT mentorship program student, and then you will learn how to beat the market, yes, how to make money out of the market, how to own it, yes, because then you will understand how the context and everything is working. So we have now here this kind of trade here of my BOTT mentorship program student. This student is very good, yes. Because now it's very good. Yes, I think I have released him. Yes, I have released him, and he became a consistently profitable part-time and full-time trader. Yes, and he at the beginning he has done this kind of mistake trades. Yes, bad trades, because he didn't understood the concept. He understood only the weakness of the market and expected each and everywhere some kind of reversal, and this is also clearly because it looked like a ranging market. Yes, we have here a ranging market, an overall ranging market, and the problem here is because of this ranging market, he expected a reversal here, a fake breakout of the support and resistance level. But in reality, the trend continues. And why? Because we have a ranging market with a slightly up trend. Yes, you see here the 20 EMA is getting steep upwards in a 45-degree. I have explained this kind of stuff also in the ebook, yes, where I talked about the trend channel. Watch the part about the trend channel to understand the steepness of the EMAs, the steepness of the trend lines. Yes, a trend line, EMA is nothing else than a trend line. Yes, and if it's steep, it's a nice trend line. It's the same stuff like the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, the same stuff like the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Those kind of lines are nothing else than trend lines. Yes, and those one support and resistance. Yes, that is what you have to understand. Okay. We have a slightly uptrend in a ranging market with a Bollinger squeeze here, yes, which shows already that we are getting into a Bollinger Band breakout. We have here the Bollinger squeeze, which is a consolidation area, ranging market, and then we are getting in a breakout. After this breakout, we get this kind of candlestick, which is showing in general buying pressure. But because price retraced back to this kind of key level, yes, which I don't know where it is, but it's looking like this kind of point. It's the V. Yes, if you get on the Bollinger Band such kind of V's, yes, this means we have here some kind of support and resistance level, really extreme, with no price action on the right and on the left. Yes, that means we have here support and resistance level that price will most probably retrace back to the key level. And this was the retracement. I show you after this exactly what I mean, because on a lower time frame this was a reversal. Yes, it reversed and then it continues the uptrend. And important here is that this wick here was showing buying pressure, not selling pressure. Yes, the important stuff is this candle got rejected from this support level, and because of this upper shadow, which is bigger than the lower shadow, is showing that we are going in an uptrend. The uptrend will continue, and that price has to continue to going up. And instead of doing here a put at this level, above the opening price of the previous candle, this one here, yes, that was not anymore any kind of case to do any kind of put. You should wait for a rejection from this level here, the opening price of the previous candle or the closing price of the last candle, and then you could enter into a put. But after it broke through this one, we have nothing else than here then a trend continuation, and important is the next trade would have been a put, yes, because this candle got rejected from this resistance level, and so I would enter in the next candle into a put because I would expect that price would retrace back to the key level, yes, at this level here. Okay, so what I want to show you here. Important is to understand the highest probability trading setup stuff, and that is this one. We got here a fake breakout of the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. After this breakout in form of a tower bottom, yes, this is a tower bottom, doji, tower, yes, this is a tower. And then we got a retracement back to key level again, yes, and to the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. And after this, we got a trend continuation. So if you have such kind of scenario, major uptrend, yes, a slightly major uptrend with a steep 20 EMA, and a trend is the only way to do in this kind of stuff is a trend continuation. And also after this kind of hammer, you could do a call option if you would enter below the closing price of the previous candle at the level high of the key level, and that would be in this case the support level based on this kind of wick, upper wick, okay? Upper shadow. So that is this one. Let me show you now this kind of stuff which I have explained exactly also in the ebook, and that is that one what you see always when I'm opening the forward price action guide. This kind of stuff, how to spot and identify market reversal and retracement. So you see here that this kind of stuff in 1 minute is a reversal. Yes, you see a nice reversal. Instead on the 5-minute chart, it is a retracement. And that is the same stuff which I have shown you here. Yes, you got here retracement. This upper shadow was showing buying pressure. This candle was buying pressure too. But after so many bullish candles, yes, you have to expect a retracement. And that is what I say almost often to my students. You have to understand the relation between the size of the bullish candles and the size of the bearish candles to understand how much candles there can be without any kind of retracement. Yes, because you cannot expect 5, 6 or 3 bullish candles, huge bullish candles like this one, and expecting that there would be no retracement. In this case, it was a bearish candle, yes, a weak bearish candle which was showing some kind of reversal, yes, but because it closed above this kind of level, if this candlestick would have broken through this level, yes, and would have closed below this level, then it would be a reversal sign, but not with a steep 20 EMA, which has got a crossing of the 20 and the 50 before. That was showing already that we are still in an uptrend, after a Bollinger Band breakout, yes, in a major, slightly uptrend and a minor uptrend. So stay on the trend till you get a signal that price will reverse. And if you have no signal that price will reverse, and the only signal to understand that price will reverse is when price is going to break any kind of support and resistance level. And here this kind of candle didn't broke any kind of support and resistance level. It closed above the support and resistance level. And that was the reason why this kind of trade gone wrong and the trend continuation continued, because this was showing buying pressure. This was only a retracement because of this resistance level here. Price touched this resistance level, got rejected, closed above the support level, and because of this it got a trend continuation, because that was nothing else on a lower time frame like a J-hook pattern, yes? That is nothing else than a J-hook pattern or a pullback, like I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible and in the BOTT price action guide. And that is the reason why this gone wrong, okay? That was a clear trend continuation overall, because you have to understand, because we are in a ranging market and the trend has to continue or it has to reverse. And that was what you have to expect when you are in a ranging market, because it's consolidation area on higher time frame. On higher time frame, you have here nothing else than a doji, yes, because ranging market means you have a doji, yes, and you don't know what happens till the breakout happens, yes, and that means that after we got to break through this level here, look at this, after this candle, this strong Marubozu candle has broken this level, this support and resistance zone, you had to follow the trend only because of the trend continuation after this candle and the break of the support and resistance level here signalized by the Bollinger Band. Okay. That was everything about this trade. So if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.